Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to vlog number 1. Today I'm going to show you the cars I have, my daily, and then the project that I just purchased. And I'm going to show you maybe some of the things I will be working on in the future. Today we're probably going to be installing the bash bar on the project car. I'm going to go show you guys what that is right now. This is my Harley Sportster. Maybe we'll be working on this in the future, putting higher bars on it maybe. So far I just have the rear end lower with these shocks, and I wrapped the exhaust there. Put a new intake on it over here. Maybe we'll definitely be putting the higher bars on it, maybe some white wall tires in the future. And here we have my Yamaha WR200 2-stroke. Who knows, maybe we'll have some videos of me riding this thing around some trails one day when it gets nicer out. Alright, well here we have my daily 2004 E46 wagon. It's a 5-speed manual, all-wheel drive. Just put these new headlights on there. Got new halos and everything. I can post a video about that another day. Alright guys, here it is, my project car. Just picked up the other day. Let's take this cover off and show you guys what it is. Alright guys, well there you have it. I know it's pretty rough right now. Obviously it's a 240 S13 coupe. Probably put the bumper on soon, maybe next video. Front bumper, not next video, but we gotta get a new hood vent for it. Definitely one day you're gonna paint it. Today what I think we're gonna do is put this bash bar on the rear. This is the bash bar we have. Don't know if you can see the glitter paint. Definitely looks better in person. Alright, we got it all lined up for the most part. Got some of the bolts in, started. That and that one. Just gotta tighten up the last one over here. Let's see. There we go. It's pretty sturdy. It's got a nice jack point right there. Hopefully, I was thinking in the future I'll put a bumper over this and just cut out the area right here so I can still have my jack point and then still have a bumper so it looks good. Exhaust hangs pretty low. Let's see what it looks like with the trunk closed. Let me get my tools out of here. Definitely looks much better to me. Oh yeah. Alright, just to show you guys, these are some of the other parts I got. Got another center console. The one in there's fine, but just an extra. Here's got the rear duck bill. Maybe we'll go test fit that real quick, see how it looks. Here we go, let's see. Alright, well, I decided to actually not self-tap this duck wing back in yet. I just put these here real quick so I can show you guys what it'll look like. I want to riv nut it because I don't want to open up the trunk holes even more with another self-tap, but that's what it's going to look like. Definitely get that dialed in soon. Looks pretty awesome in my opinion. I like that for sure. I think what I'm gonna do right now, the only reason it doesn't run right now is because there's a fuel line that actually like hit the ground and broke off. So right there, I need a new fuel line. It needs to be OEM because it's a hard line. So that's the only reason it doesn't run right now, is what I was told. So I'm actually gonna hook up the battery real quick and spray some brake clean into the intake. Make sure that it actually does run real quick. And I will show you guys when I do that. I gotta go get some brake clean real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, well, it's not cranking. Not sure why. See the fans kicked on there. I'm not sure, maybe I don't have enough battery power. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure why right now. Maybe I'll hook up a jump box to it. See if we can get it to crank then. I'll be right back. Well, look at that. Just learned that one the hard way. Had my hood leaning up on my windshield. The wind just blew it and it slammed down really hard. Obviously, I need a new one anyway. I don't think I'm gonna do the vents. It's still gonna be open if I do that. My buddy's coming over now to see if, give me a second opinion on this to see why it's not cranking or anything. We're gonna figure it out though. Alright, we just actually got it running. Definitely not getting enough fuel or something, but it does run. Doesn't run too bad. So it's running, idling. We're just trying to figure out why one, it's misfiring, and what the previous owner was talking about, because he said that the fuel line is going to make it not run because it's not connected, but obviously it's connected right now if it's running. Yeah, definitely need some stuff. Motor mounts, you can see the motor shaking. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but need some belts. Probably just like an easy tune-up. But it is running. Alright guys, I know today's video is probably a short one. Not much to do in it, but I just wanted to introduce my cars myself. Show you guys what my channel could possibly be. Hopefully I follow through with it. Keep posting stuff. But until the next video, thank you guys for watching this one. Stay tuned for more videos coming. And I'll see you guys next time. Later.